indodelana nendoda amanyala okugcina ke lawo nisibangela ubuphezulu nisibangela inkinga zokugcina nalomgodoyo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho uphume nasona eSouth Africa sizomcwasa bukhoma ke manje ke sizomcwasa bukhoma weyitabani wezinja wemgodoyi uSudigolova ethu imvunulo iyo yonke into igugu la kwaZulu jikelele lo mgodoyi wesitabani asifune ngishinhlawulo kodwa simfisela nje ke ubhubhane ukuthi azokwazi ukuthi ke lesi sitabani sithatha imvunulo iphelele kwaZulu inja nje lento edeserve ukuboshwa udeserve ukuboshwa ngoba phela sokwayizwe eliboshwayo noma kuthiwe ukuxoxa naye ngoba awukwazi ukuthatha imvunulo yamakhosi imvunulo yesilo noma kuthiwa namalini iphelele yonke njoba injalo especially thina kwaZulu angazikeleke kwaXhosa nasemampondweni ngoba ngibone nomnye sitabani lesesinye sifaka imvunulo yamampondo namaXhosa angazike mhlawumbe noma lo into abayijwayele labo sebamukela cha thina la kwaZulu lutho ke ngeke simukele boyilwela nabo ukuthi ke ukuthi ke bakubona ukuthi ku wrong kodwa lakithi 100% wrong akungingizwa akucatshangwa sesithule kwanele manje hambani nekulumeni wena nikhompozele yena imvunulo uma ngabe ngisho kuma fashion shows if une designer ethizwe icreative wayipatenta lo designer yakho ibelonga kuwena lo design namalungelo ayo sinamalungelo emvunulo thina njengoZulu sinamalungelo okuvikela into eyisasa lethu neqiniso lethu yabona nanje ngoShembe njengoba uShembe khona nje ngeke ayivumele ukuthi kutholakale umNazaretha umuntu evunule wayesefaka umNazaretha bese enza noma yini avunule ngemvunulo kaShembe bese enza noma yini ewuhlobonga newucindezela phansi isikompilo lenkolo yakwaShembe ngeke amaNazaretha ayivumele leyo nto nathi ke siwuZulu sithi ngeke sivumeke leyo nto itabani kade zasiqala kade lemsuni ezinja itabani ekwazi ukuthi zithatha imvunulo yethu manje yabona manje besithule sibekezele yabona manje senikhwelana ngayo ke manje ke nithatha imqhele amayaka yako umqhele nezingwe neinsimba zakithi nameve bubesi niyokhwelana ngawo indodelana nendoda amanyala okugcina ke lawo nisibangela ubuphezulu nisibangela inkinga zokugcina nalomgodoyo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho uphume nasona eSouth Africa phuma naso la eSouth Africa isizwe sakho asandingi la sizomcwasa bukhoma ke manje ke sizomcwasa bukhoma weyitabani wezinja wemgodoyi ngoba inini nesukela uZulu nisukela ibutho la kwaZulu futhi gana itabani phindelani kwela kini usomizi oqibutho lakho uhlangana leceleni futhi wena somizi ngwenyanya kabi ngoba wena sifika thina la sibanjwe inkunzi siZulu ngaze ngayisho mina ngathi mina umadoda sengamabhinqa sabanjwe inkunzi sisaphatha umfana wakithi omncane wasenquthu uSudigolova samsupporta esehlathini engazi ukuthi samsupporta ngayo yonke indlela sikhipha amangwefu waphuma umfana thema iphuma wahlangabezwa wena egedeni kanti ungamfuni uzomfundisa amanyala ubutabani kumanje umfana usiyemfana bethi siyambuka nje sambona yena uthi insizwe kodwa sesiyamgabaza ngoba ugonwe uwe emsulu entsha somizi ugonwe uwe umgoneleni ingane yethu ngoba nina yonke into ephilayo la kwaZulu ephilayo nigijima niyaxavuna prenuthi bethu niyayitapela ezinye lapha nambe isineka lapha kodwa sinye sipofu la seligoli esigcwele la kuba TikTok ngeke sibuke nje ukuthi sitabani lesi sizeza sikade sakwaZulu sizibhale ngisho igaba laso ngoZulu lomgodoyi lo sikhathele nina yonke into sizakhela yona iphile thina la njengamabhinqa njengoZulu niyayithatha nina ngoba nakho niyabona ukuthi somkhumbi ke wempi ongaphazamiseki niyayithatha yonke lento nina niyenze yini ngiyantshela
You Batsani Bomkosi, I shame. You see, when I say South Africa nje hayi ziyabuya impela, it is a moving sugengadlali. Hi YouTube family, welcome to all trending Mzansi. Batsani Bomkosi, not Ngizwe Mchunu crashing out. This came after a video of two gay men getting married. One of the men was wearing the Zulu traditional attire, and it looks like it hit Ngizwe Mchunu because he is angry batsali bomkhosi. He made a video swearing kuyo yonke imember ye-rainbow flag. Hi Bowengizwe. He even said uSomizi is responsible and uSomizi akabize ibutho lakhe lihambe. Now the question is, bahamba bayapi? In this video you can see Somizi responding to Ngizwe, packing his bag and actually showing that he is leaving. Aishem Batsarabomkosi Gwazegwa interesting ngempela, because what made him to be so much angry over the fact that two grown men decided to get married? It is simply because of the Zulu attire. That Zulu attire made Ngizwe Mchunu to be super angry. And of course, uyazi, people will always have a different views when it comes to such situations. Others, they were supporting Ngizwe, and then others, they're not even taking him serious. But that is a problem, because now people are using his sound as a trend. Like, imagine saying all of those things and uzemfethu ulahlekelwe ngisho yivoice just for people to make a fun of you and to use your sound as a joke. Hashem guningi impela. But that's it for today. I wonder ukuthi Somizi and the other members of the rainbow flag bayoyapi, because Ungizwe uthi abahambi. That's it for today. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.